Hello, and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. I apologize for not having videos last two Sundays. It was family time, and I chose family. I'm just showing you these. This is not about origami today, but I will be doing a video about origami because it's a part of math. And I'm doing a little unit on, still on math. There's code breaking, there's other, it's a wide field. And hopefully there'll be some things that you might become curious about. If not, there'll be something afterwards that maybe you will be. That's my rationale is that you can't do everything, but who knows where something might spark an interest. So I'm going to spend a unit, let's call it, on math, like I did on, say, gardening, and do my best to share some books. This is sort of a tribute to Martin Gardner. He was a prolific reader, writer. He must have had a prolific curiosity. 96 when he died. He probably didn't want to go then. He still was interested in so much. Mathematical Carnival is the name of this particular book. A new round of tantalizers and puzzlers from Scientific American with 115 pictures and diagrams. Now, I really find that pictures and diagrams extremely helpful in appreciating things. And this particular book has some interesting things on magic stars and other polyhedra. And it's got well, there's some of the diagrams and that you might encounter. Calculating prodigies was another article that he had followed up on. So it's very interesting, the people that he's passed the time of day with. And this last little place back here is Pete Hines, Super Ellipse. Now, Pete Hines we've had recently. So these people crop up in it. You'll meet people as Martin Gardner did, who became interested in things. This has got a great thing on the abacus. It's called Mathematical Circus, and optical illusions, solar system oddities, solar system games, puzzles, paradoxes. A new array from Scientific American with thoughts from readers, afterthoughts from the author, and 105 drawings and diagrams. Now that, he's breaking new ground. The Scientific American publishes those letters that are written in, and he's picked up on some of them in particular. Just struck him as, boy, that's worth sharing in these collections. Next book is The World's Greatest Numerologist, the incredible Dr. Matrix. And I haven't gotten very far in this book. It's But it has an interesting cover to it with this painting there, which reminded me of a book that I found quite fascinating. It's called Uncle Petrus and Goldbach's Conjecture. And it's a novel of mathematical obsession. It's by a Greek whose first name starts with an A and last name is Doxiadis. After this, I'm going to the north and winter in the Arctic and the Northwest Passage exploration things and ice in wintertime. And then I'm going to switch and do Troy with neighboring countries, Greece, Crete, Sicily, Rome, Italy, and so at that point I'll come back and tell you a little more. The New Ambidextrous Universe, revised edition, has a Magritte painting on it. Startling artwork that man produced. Asymmetrical asymmetry in animals, for example. And the unexpected hanging and other mathematical diversions. It's a new collection from Scientific American. And in it, there's one letter that just, boy, it was so poignant. And I'm going to use it when I get up to looking at some of the games played in the Arctic. And this man's letter is just struck a chord with me. Martin Gardner's sixth book of mathematical games from Scientific American. And seems like I've got it marked. I haven't read every single word of the books I'm showing you. There's, I look at the index and I find things that it's not like a novel. I start at the front and I work my way through. I start, oh, well, let's try that. And then, oh, well, maybe no, and you pick up on things that you're interested in. This is patterns and prime numbers, and I'm very interested in this. The Civ of Eratosthenes I've mentioned before, but other people have done some quite remarkable, created some quite remarkable patterns that with how the prime numbers line up. And so Martin Gardner, entertaining mathematical puzzles. There's a great one here about Al, probably short for Albert or Alfred. Al's allowance, and it's a good one, and a goodie, and corner to corner plane geometry puzzles. I was always interested in plane geometry, but it's even less taught nowadays. And here's the 5 tetrominos, and like dominoes, and that was of interest. Here's mathematics, magic, and mystery, and this is a collection, but it doesn't say it's coming from. It's put out by Dover, and some of the puzzles and problems in it I've seen elsewhere, and but it's they're short. They give you well, if you like puzzles and all. Again, don't flip some pages, try some more. Fads and fallacies in the name of science, and curious theories of modern pseudoscientists and the strange, amusing, and alarming cults that surround them. A study in human gullibility. Haven't read it. Dover published it. Martin Gardner, Wheels, Life, and Other Mathematical Amusements. So you just open it up, and knotted molecule, geometric fallacies, paper folding, like origami, tic-tac-toe games, yes, polyhedrons, NIM, mathematical tricks with cards. Now, Martin Gardner was quite a musician as well. Quite a magician as well. I was listening to some wonderful music today, and I had that on my head. Somebody sent me, let me know about something that they had heard, and I was able to find it on YouTube. And time travel and other mathematical bewilderments. And this has got things on different shapes that have magical sums, magical numbers, tangrams, and tangrams part 2. So that tangrams has been something that I was interested in. This on tree planting problems. And here's figure 134, alleged arrangements of the 13 stars on early flags of the United States. So they're trying to find a flag, a design, and a pattern, and with which they could include 13 stars. And these have a symmetry to them, and quite interesting. I didn't know about it at all. So math, wheels, and other fads. If I'm actually going the wrong way here, Larry. Yeah, pentominoes, knotted donuts, and other mathematical entertainments. This is from Scientific American, and this has got well, it's got several articles in here that were certainly of interest to me. And lastly, Martin Gardner's Penrose tiles to trapdoor ciphers, and these building out from a center point, things quite fascinate me. And pool ball triangles and other problems. Raymond Semelian's logic puzzles, more about him at another point. So thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.